Hey guys, Justin here with another video. Many of you guys watching out share the same common goal, and that is to live the indie dream. See, whether you're an app developer or game developer, indie dream for most of us is being able to quit our job, being able to travel the world, living a life of financial freedom on our own terms, getting up and doing what we absolutely love to do. That's why I created this channel, because many years ago, I had that same dream. I was dreaming of traveling the world, being able to help my family and friends, not being worried about where my next meal's coming from or how I'm going to pay rent, and doing what I love to do, which is creating games. So that's why I created this channel for you guys, just to share the journey. And that's why I'm creating a 5-part series called Chasing the Indie Dream, where I'm going to equip you with the tools and the mindset of being able to achieve that goal, coming full time, doing what you love. So hope you guys enjoy the series. If you're not subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss a video. And believe me, there's going to be no fluff. It's going to be no BS, just straight as it is, all the things that I've learned over the years that helped me achieve this goal. Over the series, I'm going to teach you some fundamentals, and that's going to be consisting of technical things that you need to know, as well as the mindset stuff. And a lot of you, we just want to see the numbers, we want to see the analytics, we want to see the blueprint to success, but you got to look at it like this. If you were stuck in a jungle and I gave you a map. Now the map is all the technical stuff. It's a blueprint of what makes a business successful. Anyone can follow it. You have to look at it like this. If you were stuck in the jungle and you didn't know how to get out, and I gave you the map, the blueprint, all the technical things you needed to know, the pathway, how to get out of the jungle, it's not going to be that simple, because when you are following this map, things are going to jump out at you. There's going to be dangers. There's going to be obstacles. Snakes are going to try and bite you. There's going to be jaguars that come out of the tree and going to try and kill you. So your mindset is basically, it's like equipping yourself in the jungle with a spear and a shield. So whatever comes at you, you're ready to defend yourself and attack. And that's a lot like life, guys. It can be simple to do something, but not easy. It's like going to the gym. You want to lose weight? It's simple. Eat less and exercise. But why do we look around? Most people are not in shape. Because it's not that easy. Because it's their mindset that needs to change before the physical actions can take place. See, you got to first change your mind. We've all been wired since we were kids, and most of it's been a lot of false information. We're living with scarcity mindsets. These are all things you have to unlearn if you do want to find success in whatever endeavor you are pursuing. So that's why it's important. And that's why the first lesson in chasing the indie dream, a mindset lesson. And it's probably, there's lots of things that you need to run a successful app or game business. There's discipline, there's consistency, all these things, but probably the most important one, the one that I struggled with the most. In fact, I actually went to therapy because this particular thing was holding me back in so many aspects, not just in business, but in a lot of aspects in my life. You can probably relate to this because it's probably holding you back too. It's preventing you from getting what you want in life. And it's no compromise when it comes to this one thing. The thing I'm talking about is we are scared. We are scared of one simple word. And when you overcome this, it's going to change your life, believe me. That word is no. So you're probably thinking, what is it about no? Well, there's two aspects of the word no that we are scared of. We are scared to hear the word no, aka we are scared of rejection. And we are also scared of telling other people no. So let's cover the first aspect. We are afraid of rejection. Think back to all of the regrets you've had in your life. All the things that you wonder consistently, all the things that you wonder about, how different your life could be if you would have just done this one thing, but you were scared. You were scared of the rejection, of the failure. Like how many times we go out and we see a pretty girl at the bar, or maybe she's just in the gym, and we think, how many times do we see a pretty girl? Maybe she smiles at us, but something holds us back from going to talk to her. How many times in business are we scared to ask for someone's help? We live in such a crazy time where everything is possible. We are so connected, but at the same time, so disconnected. We have amazing tools like LinkedIn. Any industry, the top people are on there. You can literally click on their profile. You can literally send them a message. Why don't we do it? We're too scared of that rejection. And if you actually think about it, what's the worst that can happen? What's the worst that can happen when you hear a no? Your life is exactly as it is now. So nothing changes. But what happens if it turns out to be a yes? That can drastically alter the course of your life. for the better. So if you ever look at successful people, if you look at high net worth people, they are not scared to ask for what they want because they've gone through all of those rejections. It's like a muscle you have to constantly work on. So yeah, it's going to be uncomfortable in the beginning, but the more you work on it, it's going to sting a lot less. So I challenge you to go out there and find a situation where you would ultimately avoid. Maybe it's going to talk to that pretty girl at the gym or in the bar. Go and just do it. Count to 3 before you do it and just do it. And you will be surprised. That's something I had to learn and overcome because I was very introverted. I was always kept to myself and I never liked to ask anyone for anything. But one of the most important lessons I've learned is that the squeaky wheel gets the grease. If you never ask, you're never going to get. And the only thing that prevents us from asking is that no, which we shouldn't be scared of. So there's one thing I can say that would drastically change your life today. It would be overcoming that. So go out there and practice that. The second aspect of the word no that we are scared of is we are too scared to tell people no. We might be working on a project. We're trying to better our lives. We get the phone call from our friends. Hey, come on, let's go out. Let's go for this holiday. Let's go out. Don't worry, you're working too hard. And you don't want to tell them no because of that fear of what they might think. See, we're all people pleasers. And the most successful people, they don't give a fuck about pleasing other people. They care about bettering their own lives and the close people around them, family and friends. But you can only do that if you focus on yourself. See, no one's going to come and rescue you in this world. So don't be scared to tell people no. Your time is important. You're building towards a goal that's going to change your life. They're not going to understand that. So it's up to you to practice that. And like I said, this is really going to change your life. It's undoing all the crap that we've learned since we were younger. So yeah, I hope you guys take this to heart and you practice this. And I promise you it will change your life. Don't be scared of rejection. Don't be afraid of that word no, because ultimately you have to focus on what's important in your life. And if you really want to achieve that indie dream, that life of financial freedom, to be able to take care of your friends and family, you have to learn to not be scared of no. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm also really excited to announce the launch of my free full-time indie community, where the sole purpose is for everyone in that community to grow together and eventually reach that goal of becoming full-time. So if you want to keep up to date, if you want to see things behind the scenes, if you want to see the real juicy stuff, please join the community. It is free. I'm going to drop a link in the description. And yeah, it's a great place to start if you want to meet like-minded people and you want to grow and eventually achieve that goal of becoming full-time. And I will be there to help you every step of the way. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, show some love and smash the like button. Subscribe so you don't miss any more of these types of videos. I'll be doing part 2 next week. So just keep out for that. And I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.